Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today we will present how to install Linux Ubuntu. Before we present, we will introduce ourselves. Uh, my name Boy Baskoro. Student ID number 19.11.27 and 94.
My name is Aditya Amirul Arsyad. My student ID number is 19.11.28 and 52.
My name is Asal Dewi Panorama. My student ID number 19.11.28 at 22.
Samsul Huda. My sorry. My name is Samsul Huda. Student ID number 19 11 28 8 14.
My name is Tauku Mamadista. Student ID number 19.11.28 and 40.
Okay, what is Linux? Linux is a free software and open source operating system that uses the Linux kernel. Usually, Linux is packaged in a form known as a Linux distribution, desktop, and server use. The main component of the Linux distribution is the operating system kernel, which was first released on September 17, 1991 by Linus Torvalds. Various kinds of Linux. Number one, Debian. Debian is a Linux kernel-based operating system. Debian is a Linux operating system that is free to use using the GNU license. Debian GNU or Linux is a non-commercial distribution produced by volunteers from all over the world who work together on the internet. Number two, Red Hat. Red Hat is a distribution that is quite popular among Linux developers and companies. Technical support, training, certification, application development, and the joining of kernel and free software hackers such as Alan Tuck, Michael Johnson, Stephen Tweedy made Red Hat grow fast and were used by companies. Number three, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Debian and has a desktop interface. The Ubuntu project is sponsored by Canonical Ltd., a company owned by Mark Shuttleworth. The name Ubuntu is taken from the name of an ideological concept in South Africa. Ubuntu comes from the ancient language of Africa, which means a sense of humanity towards fellow human beings, and much more. The benefits of using Linux. By using Linux, we can add insight into other operating systems, stable enough and suitable to be used as a server, get a lot of support from various communities. We can save file more securely because there is password protection. Advantage and disadvantage of using Linux. Advantage: safer from virus attacks. Operating system that is suitable for servers because of its stability. Open source doesn't require key or activation. Many Linux community that can help. Suitable for computers with minimal specification. Disadvantage: quite difficult to learn for beginners who are just learning. The installation process is quite difficult. Many changes from software, such as OpenOffice for Linux, display that is less attractive to me. Okay, next.
This time we will try to install Ubuntu Linux using VirtualBox software. First, open your VirtualBox, yes, and click New and enter the name of the operating system according to the name of the operating system. Input Linux Ubuntu. Here we use Ubuntu 64-bit Linux, so choose Linux 64-bit. Now, this and click next. Enter the amount of memory. The memory capacity must be below the amount of on your PC. This time we use laptop with 8 GB RAM, so I put this 2 GB RAM and click next. Choose create a virtual disk now and click create and choose VDI or virtual disk image and click next.
Next, choose dynamic allocate and then click next. Then click create. After finishing setting, select start. Then press the further icon. Then select Linux Ubuntu in accordance with the setting. Earlier we chose Linux desktop 8-bit.
After that, press start. Select English. If you want another liga, you can then press continue. After that, when you get here, you can select install this part software, but it takes a long time, so we don't choose install this part software. That saving the time and the click continue.
After that, select erase disk and install Ubuntu. In that article, starting that selecting this option will delete the file that are in storage, but we use VirtualBox, so the exciting storage file will not be deleted. So we choose it, then click install now. Then click continue. Then choose the city that you live in now. Since we are in Central Java and in that choice there is no Central Java, then we choose Jakarta. After that, choose keyboard layout, select English as, then click continue. Enter your name, your computer's name, pick a username, choose a password, and confirm your password again, and then click continue. After this, wait for the installation to complete, then Ubuntu is ready to use.
And this is the result of the Ubuntu installation earlier. That all the presentation from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.